Welcome to WTM.Cars YouTube channel. WTM.Cars. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.
The 2026 Opel Astra. Opel is setting new benchmarks in the compact car segment with the unveiling of the 2026 Opel Astra. Known for its combination of reliability, cutting-edge technology, and European sophistication, the Astra's latest iteration reimagines what a compact hatchback can be, promising an exciting and efficient driving experience. Design: a dynamic and elegant look. The 2026 Opel Astra introduces a sharper, more contemporary aesthetic. Bold front fascia, the signature Opel visor grille, paired with matrix LED headlights, give the Astra a commanding and futuristic presence. Aerodynamic profile: sleek body lines enhance efficiency and create a visually dynamic silhouette. Wheel options: new alloy wheel designs, ranging from 17 to 19 inches, offer a sporty touch. Color palette: fresh metallic and matte colors provide options for personalization. Interior: comfort and connectivity. Opel has crafted an interior that blends comfort with advanced technology. Driver-centric layout: a minimalist dashboard featuring Opel's pure panel display integrates a 12-inch digital instrument cluster and a 10-inch infotainment screen. Premium materials: soft touch surfaces and ergonomic seating ensure a high-quality cabin experience. Wireless integration: standard Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with wireless charging. Spacious design: enhanced rear legroom and expanded cargo capacity make the Astra perfect for both daily commutes and weekend getaways. Performance: efficiency meets power. The 2026 Opel Astra comes with multiple powertrain options to suit a range of preferences. Mild hybrid engines: turbocharged 1.2L and 1.5L engines with 48V mild hybrid systems deliver a balance of performance and efficiency. Plug-in hybrid, PHEV, a combined output of 225 horsepower and an electric-only range of up to 40 miles ensures eco-friendly flexibility. Fully electric Astra E. With a 300-mile range and fast charging capability, the Astra E is Opel's step toward a sustainable future. Transmission choices: available 6-speed manual or 8-speed automatic for traditionalists and tech enthusiasts alike. Technology: leading the way. ADAS suite: advanced driver assistance systems include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and traffic sign recognition. IntelliDrive: semi-autonomous driving features make highway travel more convenient and safer. Augmented reality head-up display projects real-time driving information directly onto the windshield. Opel Connect provides over-the-air updates, remote vehicle access, and smart navigation. Sustainability: Opel's green commitment. Opel emphasizes its commitment to sustainability with the 2026 Astra. Eco-friendly materials: recycled fabrics and responsibly sourced materials dominate the cabin. Energy-efficient production, built in Opel's state-of-the-art carbon-neutral facilities. Pricing and availability: starting price: competitive pricing begins at approximately €25,000 for the base model, with premium trims and electrified options priced higher. Launch timeline: available in European markets by mid-2026, with a global rollout to follow. Conclusion: the 2026 Opel Astra is not just a car, it's a statement of innovation, efficiency, and modern design. By catering to diverse powertrain needs while delivering premium features and sustainability, the Astra continues to set the standard in the compact car segment.
Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.